Hey guys, my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I'm going to be bringing you my summer 2019 Walmart beauty box. This box arrived rather late. I find it interesting how this is the summer 2019 box and I'm receiving it like 2.5 weeks before fall, but that's okay. Again, this is the summer 2019 box. If you're unfamiliar with Walmart beauty box, technically they say it is a free box. However, you pay $5 shipping and handling every single season. As I mentioned, it is a seasonal box. You receive one every fall, winter, spring, and summer. I've been subscribed since they came out, and it's definitely been a hit or miss, but I've still been subscribed. Lately, it's been kind of a miss for me the past few months, the past few seasons. We'll see how this season's box plays out for me. But if you're interested in subscribing to Walmart Beauty Box, I will go ahead and link it down below. I will say if you travel often, then this box is perfect for you because it's pretty much all travel size to sample size items. It is incredibly affordable. Just a quick tip for you there. I guess that's it. Pretty simple, self-explanatory box, and we'll just go ahead and see what my box has in store. I missed when they did box designs. Like, now it's just these plain white boxes. I thought it was just not a fluke thing, but like the spring box was just like this one. I thought maybe it was just the theme for that month, but I guess they were just going to plain old white boxes now, which is kind of boring. When I open my box, this is what I see. So it has this bright yellow tissue paper, and then it comes with a card that says, "Hello, sunshine." So it just says, "Rate and review this season's box at walmart.com/tt/shop-beauty.box. Hashtag Walmart Beauty Box." You can enter to win a $100 gift card by doing a brief survey. Never do the surveys. Probably should, because, you know, you can't win unless you enter, but I just don't do them. As for products, this is what I see when I open the box, so I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys the products individually and what I think of them. It looks like a pretty full box this season. The first product in my summer Walmart beauty box is by Bic, and this is a Bic Soleil razor, and this is for sensitive skin, which this is great because I do have like the most sensitive skin ever. However, I have a razor subscription. I use Happy Legs Club. This is not sponsored by Happy Legs Club. Obviously, I don't use these drugstore razors, but hey, for $5 for the whole box and I get a razor, that's pretty good. And I like that this is a sensitive skin one because, like I said, your girl has incredibly sensitive skin. The next product in my Walmart beauty box is by Dove, and this is the Refresh and Care Dry Shampoo in the scent Fresh Coconut. I actually don't use dry shampoo anymore because it just causes a lot of buildup and it's just not super great for your hair. I understand the necessity of it sometimes, but if my hair is really that bad, I try to wash it if I can, and if I can't, I just throw it up in a ponytail, hope that nobody notices. I've discovered that dry shampoo is really not great for your hair, so I've quit using it. It causes a lot of buildup. Plus, Dove isn't a very natural brand, and I'm trying to use more natural personal care products. I won't be using this product. I guess I'll go ahead and just say it now. I probably will be canceling my Walmart beauty box subscription after I receive the winter 2020 box now, obviously, because technically when the winter starts is like when it's a new season for the Walmart beauty box. So I'm gonna finish out this season and get the winter box, the fall and winter box, but boxes, I guess. But then after that, I will be, I think, canceling it because it's becoming like so many of these products I just don't use. Most like natural brands like aren't found at the drugstore because they're cheap. The reason that they're cheap is because of the ingredients and how they're made and how they're processed. I understand that this is a Walmart beauty box and that is what I should expect or realize, but for a while they were including some really just natural brands or more natural brands, so that's kind of why I stuck around with it for a while, but now it just seems to be brands that I have quit using in my routine to better myself and use less ingredients. If you really look into ingredients, not all ingredients are bad, but there's more ingredients in our products than you realize that don't need to be there. That's all I'm going to say. I have used Dove dry shampoo in the past and have really liked it, so if you enjoy Dove products, I do suggest their dry shampoo because it's really good. Ingredients don't matter to everyone, so that's why I'm like, hey, if you don't care, it is a good dry shampoo. The next product I received in my Walmart beauty box for summer 2019 is by biore. This is the Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. It removes 2 times more deep pore clogs, I'm assuming, than other brands, and it includes 1 nose strip. The next product that I received in my box is by the brand Maybelline, and this is their Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. This is one of their Maybelline's best-selling products, and as you guys know, I don't wear eyeliner. If I did, it would be a really nice product to receive in this Walmart beauty box because they don't include makeup products often, so this is a real treat if you do love liquid liner. I'll be passing this along to someone as well. Box is so disappointing. Ooh, but this isn't disappointing. The next product I received is by Bioderma, and this is, I think it's micellar water. So I've heard amazing things about this. This used to be super popular in like the early days of like beauty videos. And this stuff, I don't know if it still is, 'cause I never tried it, because I never used to be able to afford it. This stuff used to be really expensive and really hard to find because everybody was buying it, but I don't know if it's still as popular or if it's still as expensive. I'm excited to have this. Like, this feels like an OG special treat. I've never tried this, and it's for sensitive skin, it looks like. This is a product I'm excited about. Now I don't hear anybody talking about it, so I don't know, but this is exciting. Next we have Nivea Aloe Vera Body Lotion sample. Nivea is another one of my least favorite brands at the moment. Their ingredients, not great ingredients. They're just not on my list right now, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this along to someone that I know that doesn't care about ingredients, really likes Nivea, so hopefully they can get more use out of this than I can. And then we just have some pamphlets here. We have a pamphlet for Maybelline Master Precise. We have a pamphlet for the Bioderma product. We have a pamphlet for the Biore nose strip and a pamphlet for the Bic Soleil razor. This is also a big waste of paper, I feel like, because nobody reads these. Nobody actually saves these. So when you take all that out, this is all the products that I received for my Walmart Beauty Box for summer 2019. I know I was kind of strict on this season's box, but I just really wanted to share where I think that this box is headed and what I think of it. And I think I have a different point of view than I used to about this box, because now that I'm older, I'm starting to learn just more about what's in our products and how they're made. I don't know, it just makes me sad. I hope to see a day where personal care products are more safe and more natural and use less ingredients. Until consumers stop buying the products, I don't think that's ever going to happen. That was my review on this Walmart Beauty Box. I was really only excited about two of the products, the razor and the Bioderma product. Everything else I could do without. And again, I do realize that this is a Walmart Beauty Box, and I do realize that it's only $5. It's technically free. Well, it's not really free, it's $5. I shouldn't have high expectations. This is my just review and unboxing of it, so I want to give you guys my honest opinion. This box confirmed to me that I think I am going to be making the right choice in winter of 2020, canceling my Walmart Beauty Box subscription. The next two boxes that I receive will probably be amazing now, because every time I say I'm going to cancel something, it starts out amazing again. So we'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of your Walmart Beauty Box this month, if you received it or if you're subscribed to Walmart Beauty Box. And if you're interested in subscribing to Walmart Beauty, I will go ahead and link it again down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.